This is where cotton starts becoming currency.
The moisture levels are stabilizing nicely on the second belt.
Yes, the consistency looks perfect for the next stage.
Every note starts with raw cotton. This is where cotton becomes pulp.
This isn't printed paper, it's built.
The timing mechanism is perfect. See how the threads fuse with the cotton.
Yes, the alignment is exactly as specified.
Security is created, not added later.
The shipment to line 3 is ready. Confirmed. Moving it now.
Is the microprinting approved by the bank?
Yes, the resolution looks perfect on the document.
Alignment is perfect.
Confirmed. Engaging hydraulics. This ink is designed to be felt.
That texture helps stop counterfeits.
Some details only appear when you move it. Every note is examined, one by one. Some features only appear under special light.
The transition to polymer for the smaller notes was
Absolutely.
essential.
Absolutely. And the varying sizes help visually impaired users.
El registro está perfecto en esta sección.
Sí, los niveles de tinta son estables ahora.
As value rises, detail increases.
The intaglio seems consistent on this batch.
Yes, the color depth is holding perfectly. Denser line work and micro patterns dominate the surface. Security elements are clearly more complex.
Security scales with value. These notes get extra protection. High value means maximum control.
Value changes how money moves.
Check the manifold on line 3.
Looks clear, Supervisor. The flow is optimal.
You can feel real money.
Nothing flawed ever leaves this building.
Looks like we have a successful run on the 500s.
Yes, the sensors are all clear.
Access is limited, tracked, and controlled. Every bundle is accounted for. Only approved notes move forward.
We need 3 more pallets in vehicle 2.
Confirmed. Moving the last one now.
This is how money enters the country.
Sigue derecho, 1 metro más.
Ok, 25 cajas. Escaneando.
Muevan el pallet rápido, por favor.
From here, it reaches everyday life.
Listo, este está confirmado.
Sí, lo movemos a la salida.